Aloha, this is Biru. I would love to do a quick review about The Innovator's Dilemma, the revolutionary book that will change the way you do business by Clayton M. Christensen. So he started off this book by talking about the phenomenon called disruptive technology. So what disruptive technology means that is some innovation that create a new market or radio network that disrupted the existing or traditional ones. So this, which is a really common fact that is happening in our generation as well as the business world, which ties into the topic of his book, Innovator's Dilemma. So what the exact dilemma, the things that he really focusing on is people are not clear about if rapidly growing and disruptive technology do more good or bad to the world, especially businesses. So I would love to talk more about my personal learning and application about reading all those overwhelming information from Dr. Christensen. The first thing is decent decision and outstanding managers would still face failure with disruptive technology. So Christensen mentioned two reasons that companies were not able to do two things. The first thing is accurately assessing the future market. And the second thing is wisely separating radio network and resources. Even though they have great idea and management teams, some of the established but failing companies do have great technological capabilities. However, they tend to delay making the strategic commitment to enter the emerging market. Second of my key learning is to develop long-term vision. Constantly upgrade your access, such as enlarging capacity and pursuing advanced technology, even though companies will experience lower probability at current time. The third thing is if you're not progressing, you are doing worse. Christensen once said that the progression of technological development and human wisdom is so rapid. If you are only keeping your current performance, there are already plenty of people going ahead of you, so that you will not be unique, and people will not see your unique value anymore. And application or relation to the personal business. So currently we are doing a lot of products and online businesses in Teespring. So here's the three takeaways applying to Teespring store, online store and products. The first thing is failure happens even to successful people. I may not have any success with my sales on Teespring, even though I have good products, store design and advertising posts. It may be caused by not being able to determine the needs of my selected passion niches and then not meeting the demand. The second thing is the principle of initial investing bringing greater and ongoing future return, which applies to our Teespring store too. Even the services we use in Teespring are free, the time we dedicated putting is not. So, but I truly believe that all those efforts we put in will pay off, and all of the hard work will be worth it. And the third thing is we need to keep upgrading ourselves and to be consistent. Business-wise, I need to keep launching new products or new posting attractive posts or videos about my niche. If I stop doing it one day, it will become much harder to sustain the business. So some application for my personal life. So Christensen suggested to treat disruptive technology as the marketing potential, applying digital marketing skills and tools into launching products such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, because this is the current trend and I have to catch up my pace into this current trend in order to attract more people or potential customer. Second thing is to frequently making and launching new products. So setting a personal goal of making products from time to time or regularly, that will make continual improvement. So that is going to be something that is so valuable to whatever business that we'll be doing. Lastly, I would love to introduce the goal that I set for myself after reading this book is to consistently upgrading myself. So in terms of learning new skills or new techniques to better specialize my current skills, there are all things that is going to be good upgrades for me. So gaining knowledge is like investing in myself. So we might think that the cost of studying is high, maybe time consuming, tuition, or how it could make us mentally exhausted. However, wisdom will qualify us to accomplish better things in the future. So whatever investment we do here, time, money, efforts, and maybe trying hard but actually fail, is actually all become experiences and knowledge that will bring us success in the future. This is my presentation. Thank you.